The Parrot and the Mango. There was a parrot. It was green with a red beak. It loved to fly. One day, the parrot was flying through a jungle. He saw a mango tree. There were lovely mangoes hanging from its branches. His mouth watered as he loved mangoes. The parrot thought of having the mango. I am tired of flying. In this way, I can rest while eating. He flew down to the tree. As he was about to perch on a branch, he heard,
"Caw, caw! Go away from here! This is my tree!"
The parrot wondered who that could be. He saw a big black crow. The crow went on cawing.
"Don't sit on this tree!"
The crow had a loud, harsh voice. The parrot was afraid when he saw the angry crow. He flew away disappointed. As the parrot flew, he went past a park. There he saw a big red balloon stuck to a branch of a tree. An idea struck his mind. He took the string of the balloon and flew high towards the mango tree. He saw the crow sitting where he had left him. As soon as the crow saw the parrot, it began to caw again. The parrot sat on a higher branch of that same tree. He pecked the balloon and boom! It blasted with a loud noise. The crow was scared and it flew away from the tree. The parrot was very happy with his plan. He laughed to himself. He had a nice time enjoying the juicy mango all to himself. The parrot was happy to have driven the crow away with his clever plan.